Claude suddenly disabled and you are locked out with no clear reasons? That can feel like hitting a wall mid-work. I know. Welcome to SciSpace Pro. In this video, I'll show you simple, effective steps to fix the Claude AI is disabled error and get back on track fast. First, open your browser and head over to the Claude where you are using. Now, refresh the page for once and wait while it's load. Then log out from your account. We just logged out. Okay, now we have to clear the cache files. So click on the settings icon where the browser's domain is there, and you will see a small settings icon. Click on it. From here, select cookies and site permission section. Then click on manage on device side data. Then delete all the cache files that it has been storing since you were using it. Okay, after deleting all it, then click done. Reload the page as it will ask you for it. Then again, log in with your Google account. Which one you were using? I was using my Google account, so I'm logging in with it. Yeah, I logged in and it will give me a fresh start now. Okay, now let's see if this method doesn't work for you. You have to check if your any kind of VPN is on or not. As you can see in my extension section, I do have a VPN, but I'm not using VPN right now. So it's I'm out of the VPN section. But if your browser ain't using any VPN, there is a VPN settings in your desktop settings section. So okay, then click on this, see if it's on or not. In the search button, select settings and click on it. Then from the website bar, click on network and internet. Then go to the VPN section, which is the third option in my desktop. As you can see, my VPN is not connected. That means I'm not using VPN. Okay, now for the next method, again go to the browser and in the Claude section, the account you are using, then again click on the settings from the above top right left corner, then click on site settings. Here you will see all the permissions you have given to the Claude, and if you think any permission allowing it is causing the problem, you click on the drop down menu and select block. As you can see, I have given all the necessary notification, all the necessary permissions that it needs to work, and I have set it some default. So yeah, you can customize your settings however you want, and it will fix some of your problems you might be facing. Now let's move on to the desktop section. If you have a Claude desktop app, as I do, the only way to fix it to uninstall it and then reinstall it again, and it might fix your problem. If not, there might be an issue with your account and you have to let them know via an mail or anything else. Okay, if anything is not going wrong with your PC or your desktop or your browser, there might be an system outage of Claude, and which is pretty normal for an AI because there might be a functional issue with it from the main source, not your computer. It's not a fault of your computer or your desktop. To check this, you have to click a link in the description box. I have already given it under the video. So from here you can see the updates. As you can see, it has given all the records Claude AI was facing, the API code, cowork, everything. You can see here date by date it has stated the function that it has faced, the position it has hold. You can see it from, like, it has given the data from 24th July to 26th April. You can check that anywhere and anytime you want to confirm if the problem is with your PC or not, or the system is slow. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Space Pro. See you in another video. Bye.